All right, so we are going to look at how we'll be able to register an account with Exness, the great broker in the world. Okay, so I've added the link to this video. When you click on the link, it is going to take you to what? Their page, right? Okay, so we come here and then you just what? Register an account. All right. So the moment I click on this, so it's going to take me to welcome to Exness and then sign in, create an account. But because we don't have an account with them, we are going to click on the create an account and then I will search for my country. Okay, so wherever that you are going to search for that your country, and then you enter in the email that you want to register with the account, right? After entering in the email, and then you now move on to what? The password. I hope this is not the first time you are creating an account online something, so this should be an easy thing to do it, right? So with the password, they have some specification, and you have to make sure you have capital letters, small letters, numbers, and then what? Special characters in there, right? When you are done, you just come and tick the box, I declare, and then what? Confirm that I am not a citizen or resident of the US for tax purposes, and then what? We continue. So the moment you continue, it's going to bring you to the next what? Page, right? So here we have, there is going to be a demo and then the real account. The demo account is for practice purposes, but we are going to look at the real account where we'll be able to make our deposit and then all of those stuff. But after that, we come back to the demo where we'll be able to create a demo also and then use it for practice purposes. Okay, so now when I come here, you see that all the deposit options have been locked. So I'll go to my account and then select the real account, right? So after selecting the real account, is it that you'll not be able to make a deposit? So you can see the hello, fill in your account details to make your first deposit. So we are going to go to complete profile. All right, yeah, because they have to make sure that all the details that you are giving them are real for security purposes, right? So I'll need to verify my contact, which is my email, my phone number, and then what? There are some other profile information that you need to add, right? So make sure that the email that you are going to enter is what? A valid email and it is working, because there is a code that they are going to send to you and you need to go into your email account, copy that code, and then come and paste it in here. So as you can see, it is 6 numbers, right? So I'll now come to my email and then what? I'm seeing Exness there. I go to email verification and then what? I will copy the verification code, right? I will now copy the verification code. After copying the verification code, I'll come back into where I was creating the account and then what? Paste it in there and then just submit and continue. So it's as easy as this. This is not the first time you are doing this. So now we move on to confirm our phone number, right? So make sure you use an active phone number, because they are going to send you a code also in there and you will have to use that code to what? Verify. So you enter in there. That one too is another 6 numbers, right? You are going to receive it right as an SMS, and then you have to either copy it or you just key in manually so that you'll be able to what? Continue the verification process. All right, so that should be easy. That should be easy. It is very important for you to create your account with Exness, because as far as it is concerned, so as you could see, we have the verification code. I'm just going to enter in here and then I continue. So like I was saying, Exness is the best broker, right? With the best spread and then everything. So you have to create your account with them, and then you see that creating an account with them is as easy as this, right? So now we have verified our email and then phone number, and then we are going to continue to what? Verify our profile. So the profile information, they are not anything that is so, you just need to enter your name, your date of birth, where you reside, and then you indicate your gender, right? And then there are other many information that you are going to add that they are not as difficult as maybe you may think them to be, right? So you just have to do the necessary. Make sure that every information that you are entering in here is the correct information, right? Because they will need to verify, and then the moment it does not match, you are not going to get your account verified, right? So with these ones, you know the reason why you are creating the account, you know your source of income, you know the amount that you make yearly and whatsoever. So you just need to follow them and then you complete them, right? It's easy. It's easy. Creating an account with Exness is easy. They should not take us more than 5 minutes to be able to complete. Yeah, it shouldn't take us more than 5 minutes to be able to complete. So because you're a beginner, or if you don't have any said have not what traded, it doesn't show anything so strange or so heavy. You just need to make sure that you've entered in this profile so that your account will look legit and then what real, right? So make sure every information that you are keying in there is something that is correct and then accurate, especially with the name, the date of birth, and then your place of residence, and then those addresses, right? So as you could see, you'll be done in no time, right? So what are your plans on trading within a year? You should know what you want to do, right? You cannot select as mine, but if you think it is the same as that, you could just let it also be in that way, and then that should be cool. Yeah. So we are almost done with this one, and then we are going to go to the next level, right? So the moment we are done with this, I think it should be able to take us to the place where we'll be able to verify our what residence, right? Or we are going to verify our identity. Yes, and then with this one, you are going to need a card, either national ID, voters ID, driving license, or whatsoever. It could even be your passport, because they will need to verify the information you've entered in there with these what documents, right? So I have my ID card, which is more or less like what we call the Ghana card. So I'm going to make sure I select that one, and then it gives me the option to what upload them, both the front and then the back pages, right? So I'm just going to do that, and then the moment I have them here, as you can see, I'll just what submit it, right? So make sure that the document that you are going to use is on the device that you are using for is okay. So I'm all set here now, right? So I'm going to click deposit now, and if I have some funds that I want to deposit, I'll just what deposit, right? Or I could continue to verify my residence, which is very important. You have to make sure that this document is within three months. I think 3 months maximum, right? Yeah. So it could be your water bill, your electricity bill, or even a bank statement to verify your place of residence. So I just put in there and then was submit, and then the document is going to be under review. So now you see that all the other options have been what open, right? So I'll now go to my account, and then now I have my real account and then my demo account in there. Okay, I have my real account and then my demo account in there. I'm going to teach you how you'll be able to make deposits and all of this. How we'll be able to link all of these ones to our MetaTrader. You are going to manage your account and then all of those stuff, right? So now click on the demo, and you can see that the demo, when you create, they'll give you 10,000 virtual money for you to use it to trade at no risk. This is more often what we use to make practices and all of this stuff, right? So now when I click on the account information, I have all of these ones here: the server, the MT5 login, and then the leverage are very, very important, right? And the leverage is what gives you an edge in the market, and then it could be 1:200, 1:1, or whatsoever, but 1:500 to unlimited should be something that should be okay for you. Yes. So now I'll copy my name, and then there is the what we are done creating the account, right? So we now have to connect it to the MetaTrader before we'll be able to what execute any trade. But I'm not going to do that one here today, because if I do that, it is going to make the video very long, right? So I'm going to find time and then make another video where I will show you how you'll be able to connect your account to the MetaTrader and then execute your trades as smooth as they should be, right? All right, so guys, that is it for today. As easy as that, we've been able to create our brokerage what account with the best broker in the world, which is Exness. And then I'm going to make sure that I'll teach you how you'll be able to link the account to the MetaTrader so that you execute trade with ease, right? So there is it. So if you find this video useful, and then very beneficial. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and then what, share. All right, so that if I upload the next video, you're going to be the first person to receive it.